Good afternoon, students. Myself Rangnath Villarbi, Assistant Professor of English. This is the assignment number 1 for BCom second semester, and this assignment has some questions, and to answer these questions it is mandatory and must for all of you student fraternity to watch second lesson video part 1 and part 2 thoroughly with utmost attention and focus. When you watch and listen to these second lesson videos, you will automatically and easily find the answers for the assignment number 1 questions. And these assignment number 1 question and answers for the questions which I have given in this presentation, you have to write answers for them in your assignment notebooks, a fresh notebook, or in white A4 size sheets. You can write them, and you have to bound them together after completion of the term, and you have to submit all the assignment sheets compiled or written in a notebook. You can write it in A4 size papers, or you can write it in a notebook, fresh notebook, which is exclusively meant for English language. No other subject should be written in that assignment copy, only exclusively meant for English language. And these are the following questions. Question number 1, whatever you do you do differently. Who gave this statement? Question number 2, define women entrepreneurs. Question number 3, according to Government of India, women enterprise should comprise at least what percentage of women ownership? There is a typing mistake. Ownership. It is not worship. Ownership. You can make correction while writing the assignment. Question number 4, according to Indian history, what were the centers of trade and commerce? Question number 5, villages had how many sectors? Name them. Number 6, in ancient India, to do an occupation, what was followed, or who had the birthright to follow or to do certain occupation? Number 7 question, what provided majority of the population the occupation during ancient times? Question number 8, name some of the Indian agro or agricultural industrialized economy products. Question number 9, when did Indian economy become very weak? And the last question, today, what is the scope of women's career? As I said to you earlier, to find answers for this assignment number 1, you have to watch these second lesson videos, part 1 and part 2. How you have to watch? You have to watch them watch and listen to the presentation with utmost attention and focus, so that you will find the answers for these assignment questions. So I hope you all students will follow my instructions and do as I have instructed you to do. Thank you, students.